Ladies and gentlemen, in today's lecture, I would like to teach you about Homo sapien book. Homo sapien is by Yuval Noah Harari. I have read his book and it has really inspired me. He has given us a brief history of humankind. In his book, he has given us reference of biology, anthropology, economics, religion, and even he discussed human right and sociology. He has discussed life before 70,000 years ago. How were our ancestors? They had been living and they spent their life, and how they evolved. And according to Yuval Noah Harari, human has he has got evolvement, and he has evolved through three different evolutions. So first evolution is cognitive evolution. I will discuss it. And the second is agricultural evolution. And the third one is scientific evolutions. In his book, he describes one by one. First is cognitive evolutions. Talk about the chimpanzee, talk about the monkey, and talk about the human being. Human being, they know how to cooperate. There are certain species, according to Yuval Noah Harari, they are very intellectual. They know how to cooperate, like beehives. It know how to create honey, and how to manage, and they can work in corporations. But they can't work flexible way. Like human, they have a flexibility. If you have a crowd of the 1,000 peoples, and they are not going to create, they can manage themselves, and they are not going to create mess, and they are not going to create chaos. But if you collect around about 1,000 chimpanzee, so these chimpanzees, they will create chaos. So human, they have a flexibility to work unanimously, with collective effort, with the corporations, and through their corporations they have achieved success. And according to Yuval Noah Harari, we had like a six human species. Only one species is survived from the human species, and this is uh, us. He says that we are one of them. So we human species are survived, and we had a belief on God and state and money and human wishes. So they say that we have created fictional reality and we have objective reality. According to Yuval Noah Harari, like mountain, monkeys, this land, trees, and buildings, whatever you see, it's objective reality. You can touch it, you can see it, you can feel it, you can grab it. But talk about the fictional reality. There are some people, they create reality, they create themselves. Like we created reality of money, state, patriotism, nationalisms, and human rights. He says that take a person and cut him, and you will find nothing inside human. There is no human right, there is no love, or whatever we call that. We have heart, we have feeling, we have like that. So he says that these are all fictional reality. We human, we have created, but objective reality is something else, according to Yuval Noah Harari. So he says that 70,000 years ago, we had a value like jellyfish, and we caterpillars, and like birds, animals, and other species. But now we have evolved ourselves through main three evolutions. So there is a cognitive evolution, agriculture evolutions, and scientific evolution. So due to these three evolutions, we have got immense powers. And now, due to our collective effort, with corporations, with flexibility, with the human intellect, with the knowledge, with cognitions, with our mind, brains, we have achieved tremendous success. We are no more like dog, chimpanzee, bee, honey. B's, we have improved ourselves to great extent. We have achieved all through cooperations. We created our fictional reality, like we created money, and due to money, we started working. And then money has got tremendous problems. Due to money, sometime we fight, we get even progress, we compete with each other. And he also discussed about the capital and money. He shows the difference between the capital. He says that capital is one when you have money, you invest and you hire other people, and due to this other people get job. He says that money is one of the most successful story we have built. We have built different story according to Yuval Noah Harari. There are some religious story, there are some heaven and hell stories, there are some fictional stories like money, like state, like patriotism, like nationalism. So these are all stories according to Yuval Noah Harari, and these are fictionals and we have created, but it has helped a human being to achieve great success. Like due to money, we started working, even we started working, making effort and building new thing, creating new thing, constructing new thing. So this way we create great advantage for ourselves, for Homo sapiens. And now further he say that what is the next step for the human being, what will be the next stage, nobody knows. Stay blessed and have a nice time. Today I have discussed Homo sapien summary. It's just a brief summary. In future we'll be discussing summary of Homo Deus and 21 rule for the 21st century. Stay blessed.